In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Gmail keyboard shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts are a great way to move through your inbox faster without constantly reaching for your mouse. Once they're enabled, you can archive, compose, reply, and navigate using just your keyboard. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where the setting is hidden and how to turn it on step by step. First, open Gmail in your web browser and make sure you're signed into the account where you want to use shortcuts. At the top right corner of the Gmail interface, you'll see a small gear icon. This is the settings button. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. When you click it, a small panel will slide open on the right side of your screen. In this panel, you'll see a few quick options, but we need the full settings page. Look for the link that says See All Settings. It's usually near the top of that panel. Click See All Settings and Gmail will open a new page with multiple tabs across the top. By default, you should land on the General tab, but if you're not there, click on the tab labeled General at the top of the settings page. This tab holds most of the everyday options for your Gmail account, including the keyboard shortcut setting that we need. Now, scroll down through the general settings. You'll pass options like language, page size, and various other preferences. Keep scrolling until you find the section labeled Keyboard Shortcuts. It might be around the middle of the page, so don't worry if you have to scroll a bit. In the keyboard shortcuts section, you'll see two options. One to turn keyboard shortcuts off, and one to turn them on. Select the option that says keyboard shortcuts on. This tells Gmail that you want to start using the built-in key commands. After you've turned keyboard shortcuts on, it's important to save your change. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the general settings page and click the Save Changes button. Gmail will reload your inbox, and from this point on, keyboard shortcuts will be active on your account. You can now start using shortcuts like C to compose a new email or J and K to move between messages. And if you ever forget the shortcuts, just press the question mark key while in Gmail to see a full list.